Hello and welcome back to Dave's TR4A. Today I'm going to be posting a short video to show you my new GoPro Hero4 battery extension setup. Here's how I solve my battery life problem on my Hero4 camera. If you have one of these, you know the batteries last about an hour and a half, and then you have to obviously take the battery out and replace it. And if you're in a group especially, you can't just pull over and spend 10 minutes changing the battery out in your camera and starting up again. So what I did was I found one of these little battery packs. This one was off of Amazon. You can see it's got 3 USB ports on it, so you could connect 3 devices to it. And I just cut a hole in the side of the case here so I can just plug the cable into the side of the camera. And you can see it's charging right now. The red lights are on the camera. And this 70%, it was charged yesterday morning. And then I drove about an hour and a half in the morning to a Cars and Coffee in a little town called Batesville, Indiana, and stayed there for a while, and then drove back, and I had the camera on going both ways, and I still have, after about 3 hours use, I'm still at 70% capacity on this battery. So the only thing I might do is get a longer cable, because I can sit it down in between the seats of the car like that, but there's not a whole lot of slack, so I might pick up a longer cable. But anyway, that's basically how I solved it, and just wanted to pass that on. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe.